Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Willowbrook system has 60 full-time employees. So it's an ALE. It offers a group health plan to all of them that satisfy the minimum value standard. Well, violation A is out. The plan is affordable for most employees, but two employees, both full-time, determined that the plan is unaffordable for them and obtain premium tax credit through the marketplace. Which penalty, if any, applies? I already told you penalty A is out because they offer the group health life and that satisfy the minimum value. Therefore, anytime it says A, take it out. Section A is out, Section A is out. So we're left with Section B and C, no penalty because the employer offered coverage to all employees. Or Section B, assessed per employee who received PTC. What do we have here? Do we have a penalty or no penalty? And the answer, yes. It's definitely not penalty A because we have some sort of a group health plan that satisfies the minimum value. Is it A, is it B, or is it D? There is a penalty. And the penalty is Section 4980B, assessed per employee who received PTC. Here, the company offered the minimum essential coverage to substantially all, in fact, all, to all its employees. However, two employees that receive PTC, then we have to pay a penalty for those. And if you want to know the penalty is on an annual basis $4,350 times two employees, $8,700 penalty. Therefore, choice D is the incorrect because there is a penalty. We're left with choice B. So choice B, the plan must be affordable and provide the minimum value. Now, if you are looking at this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and most importantly, create a similar MCQ if you want to practice more. Here's what I can tell you. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI-CPA questions, previously released AI-CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.